Akang happy.
Our intention was to make an iPhone that feels like a piece of the future. Powerful, yet so thin and light, it seems to disappear in your hands. The core structure is a radically thin frame, made from grade 5 spacecraft titanium that combines strength, lightness, and durability. To bring elegance to such a tough material, we polished the frame to a pristine mirrored finish. Crafted in a palette of colors that evoke lightness. For the first time, ceramic shield encloses the titanium frame on both sides. Our high-temperature process creates nanocrystals that significantly improve toughness, and the front is 3 times more scratch-resistant than before. It's more durable than any previous iPhone. To make something this thin, we had to rethink the architecture of the iPhone, starting by redesigning our iconic plateau. It's precisely sculpted to fit our custom-made chips, components, and innovative camera systems. The new center stage camera perfectly frames selfies in portrait and landscape without turning the phone. Our Fusion camera is a technical marvel. It captures gorgeous 48 megapixel photos, next-gen portraits, majestic landscapes, and incredible low-light images. The Plateau also houses our latest A19 Pro chip, which is built for Apple Intelligence. We then dedicated every last bit of space to our high-density battery, resulting in remarkable all-day battery life. The impossibly thin profile allowed us to stretch the display without adding any extra bulk. It's our thinnest iPhone ever, with the power of Pro inside. A paradox you have to hold to believe. This is iPhone Air.
Akang happy.